Hi there, students. Iatrogenic. Great word. Iatrogenic. An adjective. I guess you could have the adverb iatrogenically as well. Okay, if something is iatrogenic, it's something that has been caused by a doctor or by a medical treatment. So iatrogenic problems are where you have a problem which has been caused by the doctor. Let's see, if a doctor does something to you, if he gives you a medicine and you have a side effect, that is an iatrogenic effect. Okay, so iatrogenic, a disease or a problem caused by medical treatment or caused by a doctor. So all of this in the United States, where medical insurance is so high, is because doctors are worried about being sued, being taken to court for any iatrogenic problems that patients may have. So clearly, if you take a medicine, there is always the danger of iatrogenic effects from it. So this is a side effect, something that is caused. If you have an operation and they cut you open, then you will have various other iatrogenic effects. Yeah, iatrogenic. This is related to illness caused by medical treatment. Yeah, the side effects of drugs are iatrogenic. Yeah, this is something that is unintentional. Yeah, it's something that's unintentionally caused by a doctor, a surgeon, or by medical treatment, or by a diagnostic procedure. Okay, so an iatrogenic illness, an iatrogenic infection. Yeah, very often that if they cut you open, then it's very possible that you will get an infection. Yeah, and that iatrogenic infection is caused by the intervention of the doctor. So iatrogenically introduced illnesses. Yeah, okay, so yeah, something that happens in a patient as a result even of the doctor's words or their actions, particularly a consequence of taking a drug, of having the doctor do something to you. Yeah, so these are disorders caused by drugs, by surgery, by by medical intervention, and this is the idea of iatrogenic. Yeah, induced by the physician, induced by the treatment, induced by what the doctor has done. Yeah, so let's see, I think as long as a doctor acts responsibly, then they should not be held responsible for any iatrogenic effects that subsequently occur. Yeah, the person is trying their best, and if you sue them for not doing their job perfectly, I think it makes it much harder for them to do their job. Yes, they ought to act responsibly and do the best that they can, but as long as they're doing the best that they can, I think that's enough. So, iatrogenic, oh, this is a great word, formality. Iatrogenic, I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing, maybe in a semi-formal conversation as well. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from iatro meaning medical treatment, from ancient Greek iatros, a doctor, yeah, and this is a prefix meaning medical treatment, doctor, physician, and genic, yeah, from generate, to create, to cause, yeah, genus, offspring, kind. So, iatrogenic, problems caused by the doctor. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Iatrogenic.